Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 5. This module, we're going to be talking about parts of the body and using tener dolor, to have pain, to talk about having pain in the different parts of the body. So, under the readings, make sure you really check the page numbers because the page numbers jump around a lot this module because it's like the different body parts are in different chapters of the book. So, just make sure you check all the parts of that. Um, and then under the listening, there's a conversation. You can just listen and see if you kind of understand what they're talking about. You don't have to understand everything. Just see if you can hear the body parts that they're talking about. Okay, and then like I mentioned last week, under pronunciation practice here, we have some review of the vowel and consonant sounds because this module, instead of a regular speaking assignment, we have the first pronunciation project. So the homework packet is like always. The pronunciation project, again, this is going to be you're reading the text that's there and aiming for clear pronunciation. If you want to meet with me on Zoom this week, send me an email as soon as possible. We can arrange a time. Definitely check back your previous speaking assignment grades. And if you haven't been doing well in pronunciation, you might want to set up a Zoom meeting with me. And then we have the quiz like always. So that's it. The only thing that's a little bit different this week is the project. So make sure you work on those. And nos vemos pronto. See you soon.